What's up, adventure seekers? Today we're diving headfirst into Italy's undiscovered paradise. Forget everything you think you know about Italian getaways, because Reggio Calabria is about to rewrite your bucket list in permanent marker. While the masses cram themselves into Venice's canals like sardines and designer sunglasses, you could be lounging on pristine Mediterranean beaches with views so good they'd make your friends question their life choices. This is Italy's best kept secret, and I'm about to blow its cover wide open. Let's explore the 5 reasons Reggio Calabria deserves your immediate attention. Reggio sits at Italy's southwestern tip, literally a stone's throw from Sicily. You can actually see Sicily across the water, so close you'll swear you can smell the cannoli. The city sprawls along the coast with the kind of panoramic views that make desktop wallpapers look like child's drawings. The Lungomare Falcomata Promenade has been called the most beautiful kilometer in Italy. This palm-lined stretch offers the kind of strolling experience that makes you want to throw away your Fitbit, because steps this beautiful shouldn't be counted, they should be savored. Speaking of things that should be savored, who needs overpriced museum tickets when your taste buds are about to experience the ride of their lives? The food in Reggio Calabria isn't just a meal, it's a religious experience with calories. Here, spicy isn't a polite suggestion, it's a way of life thanks to the infamous nduja, a spreadable spicy sausage that will have you questioning every bland sandwich you've ever eaten. The seafood is so fresh it practically jumps onto your plate. And bergamot, a citrus fruit so special that fancy Earl Grey tea begs for its essence, is used in everything from pasta to desserts. Try nduja stuffed arancini that explode with spicy goodness, or swordfish alla ghiota caught that morning. The local wine. Let's just say Calabrian winemakers have been perfecting their craft since ancient Romans were toasting to Caesar. If you're still conscious after that food coma, congrats. Your metabolism deserves a medal, but save some energy because these beaches will make you rethink your relationship with gravity. Reggio's beaches are the Mediterranean's best kept secret. Crystal clear water meeting fine sand in a love story more passionate than any Italian opera. While tourists elbow each other for towel space in Amalfi, you'll have stretches of pristine coastline practically to yourself. The locals call this the Costa Viola, or Purple Coast, because of the sunset's reflection on the water. The surrounding hills feature bergamot orchards, jasmine fields, and ancient olive groves, while the nearby Aspromonte National Park offers hiking trails with views so spectacular they should charge admission just for looking. But if you think I dragged you all the way to southern Italy just for pretty water and food, clearly you underestimate my obsession with ancient things that makes our modern problems seem insignificant. Reggio was founded by the Greeks in the 8th century BC, yes, before Christ was even a twinkle in the universe's eye. The National Archaeological Museum houses the famous Riace bronzes. 2 ancient Greek warrior statues pulled from the sea in the 1970s that look better after 2,500 years underwater than most of us look after a spa day. Calabrian culture is fiercer than your Italian grandmother protecting her secret sauce recipe. The Feast of the Madonna della Consolazione turns the entire city into a party that would make New Orleans blush. And the evening passeggiata isn't just a walk, it's a catwalk. Locals dress to impress and parade up and down the streets in what can only be described as Milan Fashion Week meets small town gossip session. Aperitivo culture here means one drink comes with enough free food to feed a small army. But the true magic of Reggio isn't something you can photograph, eat, or drink, though God knows I've tried. The real treasure of Reggio Calabria is its people. Calabrians define hospitality in ways that make 5-star hotels look cold and impersonal. A simple question about directions might end with you being invited to a family dinner, and refusing isn't an option unless you want to offend every grandmother in a 5-mile radius. Their warmth and generosity come from centuries of being Italy's overlooked region, making them appreciate genuine visitors who see beyond the tourist traps. Make one local friend, and suddenly you have an entire network of unofficial tour guides, home cooks, and protectors who will ensure your trip is unforgettable. Reggio Calabria isn't just another pin on Italy's overcrowded map, it's the secret chapter in Italy's story that mass tourism forgot to read. While the hordes battle for selfie space at the Trevi Fountain, you could be living la vera vita italiana, the true Italian life, in a place where authenticity isn't a marketing strategy, it's just Tuesday. If you're ready to experience the Italy that Italians have been keeping to themselves, hit that subscribe button faster than a Reggio locals down their morning espresso. Drop a comment below with your favorite undiscovered destination, and let's create a community of travelers who know that the best experiences happen when you tear up the typical itinerary. Ciao for now.